Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how and when to use COSRX Snail Mucin Essence or any Snail Mucin Essence at all in your skincare routine. So I've previously reviewed and compared the COSRX Snail Mucin Essence with a different one. If you want to see that video, do tap the link on the screen right here. So the COSRX Snail Mucin Essence is a lightweight hydrating essence that is suitable for all skin types and all skin tones and can be used anytime in the day. So I'm going to show you the mode of application depending on what types of products you'll be using in your skincare routine so that you know where this essence falls under in your routine. So here are the steps you should follow in your morning/AM routine. You can pause this video to take a screenshot. So for your evening/PM routine, here are the steps that you should follow. You can also pause this video and take a screenshot. In order to save time, I have washed my face off camera. If you're wondering the cleanser I used, I went in with La Roche-Posay Tolerian Purifying Foaming Face Wash. So for toner, I'm going in with this Bliss Skin Balancing Milky Toner Plus Serum. I like to apply this with my palm. It's a milky toner, so I don't want to use a cotton swab to apply it, if that makes sense. The next step is for me to go in with the Snail Mucin Essence. With this one, you can go in with as many pumps as you desire. I'm going to do 4 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I lied 5. I may go in with more. When applying your skincare products, don't forget to apply them from your forehead, all the way down to your collarbone. You can spread it down as much as you can. So the next step is for me to use my serums or treatments. In this particular video, I'm just going to use one serum. I'll be going with the Enquires tranexamic acid. If you're applying serums, go from the thickest to the lightest. So for example, if I had to apply like hyaluronic acid or niacinamide serum, for example, I will go in with those first before I go in with tranexamic acid because of how thick. Or if I was to apply vitamin C serum in my routine, I would have gone in with vitamin C first before going in with tranexamic acid because this particular one is thick. I don't apply this to every part of my face. I just go into where I have like pigmentation, which is just the sides, my chin, and I just spread the rest on my nose and my forehead. So that's all for serums. I'm not applying any other serum. The next step is for me to go in with my moisturizer. For moisturizer, I'm going to go in with Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic Acid Cream. You see how this gives my skin a boost, right? I really do like how I am looking right now. So the final step is for me to apply sunscreen. I won't be doing that in this video because I want to review the sunscreen. So make sure you apply sunscreen after you apply a moisturizer. So the last step for me after sunscreen is to apply a lip gloss or lip balm. I can't even believe that I didn't apply this since the beginning of the video, guys. My lips are killing me right now. So I'm going to go in with this Fenty lip oil. It's really good in terms of thickness. It has that lip balm, lip gloss type of thing going on. My lips feel better now. If you want to purchase any of these products that I used in the video, the direct links are in the description box. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it, subscribe down below. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching and do have a wonderful, wonderful week.